Xiaomi Civi 3, the ultimate selfie camera smartphone. Chinese manufacturing giant, Xiaomi, will officially release a new mobile phone, the Xiaomi Civi 3 on May 25. The latest details on the front dual selfie camera in a pill-shaped cutout. According to the teaser, this device will come with a 32 megapixels plus 32 megapixels dual front camera setup for selfies. The Xiaomi Civi 3 will also focus on professional selfies with a 78 degrees beauty mirror distortion, free portrait selfie lens. Also, this device will support a 4K HD recording and a 100 degrees ultra-wide angle lens. At the same time, Xiaomi Civi 3 also brings a new, original texture portrait. This is a new portrait engine that comes with the front bionic dual main camera. This engine will add a 3D texture portrait and a natural atmosphere environment. Xiaomi Civi 3 to use a new chip. Under the hood, this mobile phone will use the Dimensity 8200 Ultra CPU, the first in the world. On the rear, this device will come with the IMX800 sensor. The flagship Xiaomi 13 also comes with this sensor. It has a 1/1.49 outsole OIS and supports dual 32 megapixels front-facing cameras. This device is also anticipated to have the first 5G network roaming function, which can reduce a good number of signal blind spots. Furthermore, the new phone will come with Sony IMX800 OIS triple camera at the rear with a round deco in the upper left corner. There will be a plastic middle frame for the body. It will also have a built-in 4500 mAh battery that supports 67W fast charging. The new Civi 3 will be available in 4 colors: rose purple, mint green, adventure gold and coconut gray. Key specs: Android V12. Performance: MediaTek Dimensity 8200. Octa-core, 3.1 GHz, single core plus 3 GHz, tri-core plus 2 GHz, quad-core. 8 GB RAM. Display:
बदलाव करता है तो
6.55
कहीं ना कहीं
inches
थोड़ा सा अपग्रेडेशन देखने को
AMOLED
मिलेगा ये
with
इसकी
Gorilla Glass
बॉडी
protection. Bezel-less with punch-hole display. Rear camera. Triple camera setup. 50 megapixels primary camera. 16 megapixels ultra-wide angle camera. 2 megapixels depth camera. LED flash. Front camera. 32 megapixels plus 32 megapixels. Battery. 4500 mAh. 67W fast charging, USB Type-C port. General. SIM1, Nano, SIM2, Nano. 5G not supported in India. 256 GB internal storage, non-expandable.